All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to unlock the doors manually. I'm also going to show you how to lock the doors manually in this Kia Telluride. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm in the Kia Telluride. In order to unlock the doors, normally you would either use the fob or this button right here, okay? But say for instance, you don't want to use that. You want to use the manual way, all right? So what you'll do is you'll come right here and you see on the door panel, there's this. I'm gonna pull that back. You see that? It's unlocked now. And when I want to lock it, I just go ahead and push it like that and it's locked. But I'll show you something. On the front seat right here, when I pull this, it actually unlocks for me when I'm opening it up. But if you just want to have it unlocked, you just simply go right here, push it like that, or you can pull it that way, and it is unlocked. And so if someone from the outside can open it up the door. All right, so it's just simple as like that. You lock it that way manually, and you unlock it by pressing that right there. Hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one.